Here's how to fix Roblox clothes not showing in-game. First, open Roblox and go to the Avatar, Editor, or Customize section. Make sure the clothing item is actually equipped. If it isn't, select it to equip it. If it already is, remove it and equip it again to refresh your avatar. If you recently purchased the item from the marketplace, remember that buying it doesn't automatically equip it. Go back to the Customize section and manually put it on. Next, leave the game and join it again. This refreshes your character and often fixes temporary loading issues. If the problem continues, log out of your Roblox account, then sign back in. This refreshes your account data and avatar settings. As a final step, uninstall Roblox and install the latest version of the app. On Windows, downloading Roblox from the Microsoft Store is a good way to ensure you're using the newest version. After reinstalling, sign in again, equip your clothing, and rejoin the game. That's all for this video. Thanks.